What's up, YouTube? Today we have an unboxing, well, I guess package opening, some Copags playing cards jumbo index. That means they have the big alphanumerics. Got these off Amazon. It's February 2018, so they were $16. Part number right there, 1546. Made in Brazil. Let's take a look here. Yeah, one of the jumbo indexes. See, I got a big 10-person table. The cards we were using just worked. Look at that. Oh, but not use a blade. Got the peel seal right here. You see, they have the hanger, I guess, thing. If you wanted to hang it up, I guess you could. Peel seal. Do that. First time I've ever had Copags. Slide right on there. Oop, lost my little ace and heart. Just retainer, little retainer clip thing there. So this deck is the purple and grays. This is just like a demo card. Oh, yep. Florida. We'll use those. Okay, good feel to them. The Joker looks like a festive Joker. Nobody uses those. Oh, that one's kind of cool. Two different Jokers. Of course, they're ace of spades. Of course, the other one we did use last game night. I remember where I got these from. Bad boy. Because they came with that dealer button. It just has a built-in timer. See if I match up. They work okay, but then I noticed a couple were bent. Let's see, Copags are just, I guess, almost the same exact size. Like I said, it's just got that bigger value. You really see the suit and rank. They're the same size. Just let's see here how they would stack up for height. They're just saying it's just flimsy plastic. Look at this. There we go. So we're that many cards thicker. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cards thickness difference. So very excited to use them. I should have another game night coming up here soon, end of the month, maybe a once a month type deal. Don't play anything too serious, just a friendly. But I just wanted some better quality cards. There we go. Joker. See, I got the purple and the gray. Maybe changing up the felt color here very soon. So, maybe to looking at the platinum speed suit.
or platinum suited speed cloth. Cannot say it. But I guess Copag really hasn't changed much over the years. All other videos on YouTube reflect pretty much the same thing I was doing. They actually hold them in. I guess for the most part, yeah. So, kind of nice. I got the little hard plastic case here. So, product of Brazil. So, that's opening up of my $17 Copag big index, jumbo index playing cards. It said there's 54 cards. Here are 2.5 by 3 7/16. It says poker size. So hopefully they'll be durable and good quality and better than these bad boys, which are plastic. But they were free. They came with that button thing I got for like $6. So can't complain for free. Just not gonna stick around. I appreciate it, YouTube. Have a good day.